the merry weather for your story. Remain seated with your hands, arms, legs, and feet aboard a board at all times. And please supervise your children for a story of the unexpected turn. Now, most people travel to the enchanted world to the faithful foot, but those who visit in person by the door rabbit hole or pixie dust often find their way in and find magical or menacing. But don't worry, folks, over here for passenger and jaws will wander a well, who actually transport to a magical place called Storybook Land. Now, like all great stories, ours starts with once upon a time, and in this case, with a big bad wolf who lives in a cave just to our left. He's always chasing after three little pigs, but they live across the way from three houses. 1 minute straw, 1 minute sticks, and 1 minute guarantee will prove free. But then our story takes one unexpected turn, for just to our left is the old English village home to Alice. For one golden afternoon, she chases a white rabbit down the rabbit hole and falls down, down, down into Wonderland. Storybook Land was a fantastic place that such like on the park to our right, over which Peter Pan, John, Wendy, and Michael Darling first flew with a helmet to give up pixie dust. And places like Agrabah, Cities and Venus Cabinet, where his free rat named Aladdin, first bumped to Princess Jazz in the marketplace and stole her heart. So too from different worlds, with the power of love and the help of a genie, they were married into Disneyland Sultan Palace. These magical places where love blooms for eternity, like the flowers no archway just above us. The very same ones, Aladdin, Jasmine, toward inward, sideways, and under, on a magic carpet ride to a whole new world. And while certain stories are filled of the mind, now there's dark places as well, places of mystery like a cave of wonder just up ahead. It is treasure bringing curse and can only be lifted by the genial lamp. Legend has it, those who have been eating free are granted 3 wishes. Now they go wish and see if it comes true. So wise wish for a safe place after she fled the evil queen, and thankfully she came upon a cottage in a forest far right. From the 7 doors, for her shelter and thanks for her kindness. Cinderella to attend a ball, but her wicked stepmother forbade her in doing so, leaving her behind a blue roof house on our left. But thankfully a fairy godmother granted her wish, but when Cinderella didn't leave by midnight, her carriage went back to her pumpkin. Dreams come true, and my wishes and inspire stories here. Of my dreams will happily ever after. There's a dream to children sleep on hills with tattoo flowers like the ones on our left, inspired by the 1933 Slave Symphony cartoon, Lullaby Land. Storybook Land, full of magic everywhere, like a miniature plants that never grow up. Thank you to Thomas Tinkerbell, that became the favorite of math storyteller of Walt Disney, and to this day continue to find new stories. Stories like this, where left, but sorry folks, being kitty as far as the home right now, and adopted motor car on the wall right, no one particular. And stories of magic like that of Annabelle, those opening the mountains just beyond. He'll also bless the ice dogs from the fjord, her sister Anna, people and her girls, that no love, set the boat free. And then up ahead in the home pine village, a wood covering each of the meadows, and coming from a little boy, after the hill goes on a fish, and a male monster of a whale, is granted by the blue fairy. Shadows wish like that many fairy tales. A cat will remain Ariel to follow many fairy tales after her life. And the owner's dream become a part of our world. Their story takes place in a shadowless water king hiding in the underwater city of Alaska's wild left and spills onto adventures that all the end and happy ever after. Now the story comes to an end and we approach the dock. Please remain seated with your hands, arms, and fingers support the boat. And when we come to a complete stop, we'll take you exit. It has been a pleasure to have you aboard. And the Outdoor Story 5 years, we wish you the very best on a record stay here at Disney.